Welcome to the Book Club Podcast, the place where hidden truths and untold stories come alive. Life, relationships, struggles, healing. It's all here. So keep watching, subscribe now, and share this with someone who needs this conversation. The next story could change everything for you or for them.
You've been so used to struggle. That peace feels strange. You've been so used to begging. That consistency feels suspicious. You've been so used to chaos. That calm feels boring. But listen, that's not love. That's trauma disguised as normal. Real love doesn't drain you. It doesn't make you second-guess your worth. It doesn't come with conditions or disappear when it's inconvenient. Real love feels safe. It feels steady. It feels like a place you can finally breathe. But here's the hard truth. If you've lived in pain too long, real love won't feel like home at first. It will feel unfamiliar. And that's why so many people run from it. But don't run. Don't sabotage the very thing your heart has been praying for. Because love that's real won't confuse you. It won't break you. It will build you. And once you taste it, you'll never mistake attachment or chaos for love again.